Hey there, I'm Jessica Linhart and I'm here to show you an activity that you can do in a short period of time. It'll make a fabulous gift for your graduate. This year, my daughter Elena is graduating and we are having a luau party for her graduation. We are going to make graduation leis, and this is the start of hers. So some materials that you need, of course, is some twine and some ribbon, the school collars. You can use crepe. This is kind of like a paper twine. You can get that at the dollar store. Dollar Tree also sells ribbon. I'm choosing to use my bead collection to put just as embellishments. So the first thing that you would do is, of course, take your twine from the Dollar Tree. And so mostly you can get all these items at the Dollar Tree. I would like to find some green flowers, but I haven't been successful yet. So you would measure it, of course. My daughter is just about, 4 to 5 inches taller than I am. Thank you, Lord, that she's tall and I'm short.
You know it.
And so her lei would come under the table. And also, you need lots of cash. $2 bills would be great. I'm using primarily 1s, 5s, and a few 10s today. Camera lady, if you can come in, and you need some tape and a pair of scissors. If you can move in, I will show them how to fold their money. This is a pretty straight $1 bill. As you can see, not all of my $1 bills are straight. They're kind of crinkly, and you can still use them. They come out just fine. First thing you want to do is fold it in half. So that's 1/2. Fold it again in half. That's 2 halves. Fold it again. That's 3 halves. So you're going to fold it 3 times. And 3 times again, you're going to fold it once more. I almost went to teach you how to do division and multiplication here. So then you unfold it. And the reason you do this is so that you have even sections, because then you're going to fold it as a fan, back and forth. And since it's crisp, it's easy to follow the folds that's already there. Fold back and forth. And then as it uncrinkles, you'll see the sections. So it's very, very easy. Remember that you want to use a very, very small piece of tape. Like that much of tape is probably too big, because I'm sure that our seniors will want to tear this apart and use it. I told my daughter to keep it in a safe until she ran out of money, and this could be her little savings account. She didn't think that was a good idea. So did I tell you to fold again in half? And that way it creates this middle section here. And then you just want to take this edge and put this edge together. Remember, a small piece. If you go big, it's going to take them a lot to untape. It's going to take a long time to untape all of that. So using the smaller pieces, it helps our seniors not to tear the money, and I'm sure they will appreciate us using less tape. And also, it saves us money. We can use this tape on something else. I'm a paper crafter, so saving that, it really helps. And then what you would do is go back, and I kind of pinch these to make them stand up. So here's what happens if you just take a $1 bill and you start folding it because you think it's going to save time, and you're just going to fold it back and forth. Yes, it's going to come out. It's going to come out. And maybe you decided you didn't want to do the extra fold. So that is what happened to this one. And this one. This is the way shortcut. Yes, it looks about the same. This one I think I'll have a hard time putting on the lei. So make sure that you don't skip and that you use all of your folds. So I already put on a bead, and so it's very easy. I like the look of the back versus the front, but it doesn't really matter. However you would like to do it would be fine. And then all you're going to do is put your string inside, and your string inside. And if you do not like the look of it, you can always take it off and do it again. But this is in between, I will put ribbon. So we'll continue in just a minute. So I've paused the video just to save you time. And I've continued creating the lei here by folding the dollar bills and a couple fives and a few tens. I think I'm up to around 25 or so. I've added a few bows with just regular ribbon, and since it's a luau graduation party, I thought that this twine ribbon made out of paper, like crepe paper, I thought that that may add to the project by giving it a little bit of the outdoorsy theme. I think that I've been working on it about 10 minutes now at the paused sessions. So I'm going to add some more of this, and I think I'll tie in some of the string that the necklace is made out of, and I will be back with you in just a minute. Hey guys, it's been about 5 minutes since I paused the video. At the end of the video, I will splice all of them together. But the majority of things that I have left to do is just tie some more string in here just to make it look a little bit prettier, a little bit more creative. I've also found in my scrapbooking collection some stickers, and what I thought I'd do with the cute little stickers is find a bow and put it on each bow. So to make this video short and sweet, we have Hayden that's going to kind of model our end product. What I do want to say to you is thank you for watching, and if you like this video, you can check it out on YouTube and you can share it. And if you have a senior, this is a great additive to their little honor cords and ribbons that they already wear. Later on, we're going to be making candy leis. So this is kind of basically what it will resemble. And you want to make sure, sorry Hayden, you want to make sure that you leave this part, because if you do not leave this part, your lei will go all the way up and around their neck. And sometimes with skin sensitivity like Elena has, that will make her break out. So if that is an issue for you, then make sure that you leave this. Make sure the ribbon, sometimes you have to even buy satin ribbon if you're really skin sensitive. So the lei will kind of look like this. It's going to go down under. It'll kind of fit Elena. I've already kind of tried it on her. And then you would just turn all your money the same direction, and you have your lei. Very cute. Make sure that if it'll show your stickers and so forth. I hope you enjoyed this life hack.